Hi, it's Gina with your Note of the Week. This week's note is about the drawer history report. I often get asked how to streamline the report, especially if you have multiple stores and each store has multiple point of sale stations. Sometimes when you run that report, it can be quite lengthy. I'll give you an example. I'll start in point of sale, reports, history, and drawer history. And I'll go to the event tab and I'll filter for a date range. I'm going to just go back to, let's go back to September here of last year. And I'm going to go ahead and preview. So what I get is really a lengthy report that's giving me a report on each and every drawer at each and every store. So you can see here as I scroll through, there's a lot of information. And it's an 11-page report, and I don't even get a grand total at the end. So let me show you how to streamline that. I'm just going to exit from the screen preview. I'm going to come back to the Parameters tab. I'm going to uncheck Print Drawer Session Detail and enable Store Totals and Print Report Totals. So ultimately what I'll get is a total for each store and then a grand total of all stores combined at the end of the report. Don't forget to go to your Event tab and specify a date range. It can be any date range. I'm going to click on Preview. And now when the report loads, you can see I have totals for my East store, I have totals for my main store, and when I go to the next page, I have a grand total with both stores combined. That's your Note of the Week. Thanks for joining me, and I'll talk with you next week. Thanks for joining me for this session of Note of the Week. Hope to see you again soon. We would love to hear from you. If you would like to submit a question for Note of the Week, email training@cksystem.com. And on the subject line, type Note of the Week. If you would like to schedule training time or request a free training catalog, call me at 888-476-7911, extension 3. Talk to you next week. Bye.